Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about I/O operations in Java. First we're going to see how to use scanner. Then we're going to look how to use buffered reader to read files in Java. Then lastly we're going to use paths and files to create new file and copy existing file into other new files in Java. So for that, let's start with the scanner. To interact with the user using the console, we can use scanner in Java. First, we're gonna give a user the possibility to give us an input. For that, we're gonna use a system.in, and we're gonna show him a message using the system out. So here I'm gonna say what's your name, and afterwards we're gonna get the input of the what the user respond, the response of the user using scanner next line, and after that we're going to show his name in the console. Now when we run our code, we can see here our question. Now I'm gonna give him my name, and afterwards it returns the name in the console. That's for scanner. Now we're gonna talk about buffered reader. To use buffered reader, we're gonna create a new buffered reader, and we're gonna pass it to the constructor. We're gonna pass a file reader. And in the constructor of the file reader, we're going to pass the path of the file. So I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call it data.txt, and I'm going to pass down some text here. Okay, now I can copy the path of this file. Here we need to add an exception handler, the file not found exception, to the method. So after that, I'm gonna do use var to construct a string builder. Which is more efficient way to work with strings in Java. So for that, after that, I'm going to use the reader, and there is a method called lines which will return us a stream of strings. If we gonna here again, we can see that it will return us a stream of strings. So we're gonna use for each method, which will take consumer to append us for each line. We'll append it to our string builder. Here we can use lambda, so we can use sp.append. Okay, now we're gonna system out the string builder, and if we run this code, we need to we're gonna show the paragraph here. That's it. This is the paragraph of the file. Now after that, I'm gonna talk a little bit about paths and files, how to create new files and copy new files. For that, I'm gonna delete this file for now, and I'm gonna do a factor. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna comment this code for now. To create new file in Java, I'm gonna use path. I'm gonna say source. I'm gonna say new, or path.get and I'm gonna pass it the path where we want to create my file. To create file, we need to use files, and before create a file, we need to check if the file not exists. So I'm gonna say files, then I'm gonna do files create file. I'm gonna pass it the source path, then I'm gonna add the exception, and here if we run a code now, we should see a new file created under the IO folder. Here it is. I'm gonna copy the text as before. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is create a new file, and I'm gonna copy everything from this file into our new file. So I'm gonna create a target path, and I'm gonna call it data2, and we're gonna do the same condition. If the target not exists, I'm gonna use copy this time, not create, and copy method takes a source and the target. So this is the source, now this is the target, and here it is. Now if we run our code again, we should see a new data2.txt file, and we see that everything is the same as before. So this is the lesson for this today. Okay, bye for now.